Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. We have a beautiful piece of Chanel for you today. It's a Chanel zippy coin purse in gorgeous lambskin. It is so soft with those beautiful double C's on the front, the interlocking C's, beautifully quilted, zip around, okay, silver hardware, a really slidey, slippery zip. It's beautiful. And inside 1, 2, 3 little sections. We'll show you that there, and the serial number is just up there. There's a photograph of that on the website. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. So it comes with the little Chanel bag. We've got Chanel box. We've got Chanel ribbon. We've also got the dust bag and the dust sleeve. And then we've got this little cards envelope situation, which has got the authentic cards. It's also got the original Harrods receipts, and we've also got this one, which is the 2 care documents inside. So it's just got everything. It would be the perfect gift. As I always say, good luck buying something so beautiful and then giving it away. No chance. So yeah, gorgeous. The condition is excellent. It is excellent exterior, excellent interior, and excellent hardware. It is beautiful. As always, there's a link to shop this on our website if you go to my description below. Before you go, remember to sign up to this channel. When you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on. But then go and check this out on the website. All of our other pre-owned bags, purses, wallets, they're all on there as well. So you can go and check those out. Use the same link. And then when you get on the website, you can have a little look around. Remember to sign up for your discount code if you've not done that already. So you get a discount on your first purchase with Armcandy. All you need to do, go to the website, scroll to the bottom of any page. There's a little box. Pop your email address in and we'll send you your discount code. Your discount code will come immediately. So if you haven't had it within 60 seconds, check your spam folder. It would have gone in there. Have a fabulous rest of the day. We'll see you back here later with some more gorgeous Armcandy.